We can go now.
You dream boat, you lovable dream boat. The kisses you gave me set my dreams afloat. I would sail the 7 seas with you, even if you told me to go and paddle my own canoe.
How are you finding the Malibu too? You look like you might be struggling a little bit.
I want my mum.
Darling, to any shore. You dreamboats, you lovable dreamboats, say that you'll be mine forever.
When we stop for a swim, you see the sea urchins, sea cucumbers, fish.
You dreamboat.
Our muscles are aching, and quite frankly, we're not sure if we can handle this this journey ahead of us. The water's been very smooth, very pleasant.
With you, even if you told me to go and paddle my own canoe.
Yeah.
Sincerely, I love you so dearly. I'd follow you, darling, to any shore. You dreamboat, you lovable dreamboat.
Dali, where's the beach?
You'll be mine forevermore.
Sailing requires thoughts and feelings, you know?